For today's nail art, we are going to be doing a sweater design. I'm starting off with my nails polished Vesper from Zoya, and I'm going to add a layer of liquid latex around the cuticle area. For the backgrounds, I'm using Nicole Diary stamping plate L15, and my polish is Monarch Dream from Maniology. Using that same plate, I'm going to add some white hearts. Now remove the liquid latex and finish with your favorite top coat. And here's the completed design. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more nail art ideas.